I will show you how to make chiffon cupcakes which are soft, light and fluffy. In a large bowl, add 4 egg yolks. Whisk the egg yolks together until it's nice and smooth. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, half cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it becomes lighter in color like this. Sift 1 cup of cake flour into the mixture, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it with a spatula until it's just combined. By the way, if you guys don't have cake flour, you can easily make it from scratch. Learn how to make it by clicking on this link above. We're going to sift the mixture into another bowl to completely remove any lumps. Because the mixture is quite thick, you will need your spatula to gently press the mixture into the strainer. And look, this is what we want. The batter looks so smooth and you can set it aside for now. In another bowl, beat 4 egg whites and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice using an electric mixer. Keep mixing until the egg whites become foamy. By the way, if you guys want the full recipe, I've added it in the description box below. Gradually add 1/2 cup of white sugar into the egg whites and beat it over high speed until stiff peaks form. If you guys like my easy recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can check if the egg whites are ready. When you lift the mixer, you will see that the peaks remain straight like this. If you also turn the bowl upside down, the mixture won't fall off. Ooh, it's a bit scary, but yeah, if it's ready, nothing to worry about. Fold the egg whites into the egg yolk mixture until it's just combined. Be careful not to overmix to avoid deflating the batter. Just keep mixing until it looks like this. It's smooth and it's evenly combined. Grab a 12-hole cupcake pan and line it with cupcake liners. Transfer the batter into the cupcake liners and make sure that you fill it up until it's 3/4 full. Bake it in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 130 degrees Celsius and another 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius to make the top of the cupcake golden brown. You can check if it's ready by inserting a toothpick in the cupcake and it should come out clean or with minimal dry crumbs, then you know that it's ready. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at BriMC for more updates. See you in the next one!